Hi, I'm Kris from Theme Park to Table, cooking up theme park recipes here in my kitchen. And today is a little extra pixie dust. We're whipping up a mocktail. This one comes to you from Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort at the Cabana Bay Bar, and it's called the Fall Float. I've got some crushed ice here. To the crushed ice, I'm going to add some apple juice, some orange juice, some cranberry juice, and we're going to top it off with a little bit of Sprite. And then we're just going to put a little tiny orange slice on top as a garnish. And there you have it, the Fall Float. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.